My beautiful dog Faith, a miniature Schnauzer, became blind with cataract 9 months ago, and she is also deaf, so her sight was especially precious to her. After using your Bright Eyes drops for just 2 weeks, the improvement is a miracle. She can not only make out shapes, she is also more alert and can make it to her food before the younger Schnauzer can muscle in. This is after just 2 weeks. We look forward to her continued improvement, and we can't thank you enough. I am telling dozens of people about your product and wish you every success. Susan Peel, Stockport, Cheshire.
Carnosine eye drops are a natural, non-invasive, safe and cost-effective alternative to cataract surgery. Please click the links below to purchase Ethos Bright Eyes Carnosine eye drops directly from Amazon.com or from our website below if you live outside the US. Thank you and have a great day.